Guys, how you doing? So I've painted the Exocrine. I'm going to show you the paint I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you the video how we paint them along the ways as well. We have 3 Exocrine ready. For the game, first you need purple, black and white to darken it and lighten it through the carapace as well. I also used red, darken it with black. And for the pink, we use magenta actually, but we use this one, punk rock pink for the carapace, watering it down heavily. You might want to test a different model when you water it down, but you're going to have to water it down. For it, then when you have the pink on the red right here, you use yellow on top of that. And I use ivory and bright ivory. I don't know if I can find it. I did used it, and I do not know where the hell I put it. I've just been seeing white, but you'll need ivory and bright ivory for that. Use regular ivory color. You can lighten up with a little bit of white, or use bright if you have bright ivory, a little color tone on it to use the shading for that as well. So, anyhow, subscribe, like, and share, and let's begin.
Saw you. My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Should I stop where I'm falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Knelt to pray today, but no one was listening anymore. Do I need to fade away or stay here laying down on the floor? I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Can you help me find a way? Where is the God that I need? Can I get some help today? Lord, help me with the blood that I bleed. I want to know if you be the shoulder that I need. I want to go, so take me to Neverland. Anxiety taking over me, I can't be the only one left. No, society breaking up on me, I just wanna be felt and taken and never left.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire, 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 it's On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself within the fire, breaking free from my desire. A heart of gold, forged to inspire. It's starfire. It's starfire, 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 it's starfire.
It is done painting. We'll be painting some, I think we'll be painting the old one, the Carnifex next. But it is good. I know I did not paint the bottom, the rim of the base black, but I will. But it is done and over with, and this is 3D printed. You can get this sculpt at 3D prints for it. But other than that, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe, like, and share, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.